Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's January the 1st, 2022. Going to talk about Litecoin. Will this price move shock you? I'm going to tell you all what I'm looking forward to into the market in Litecoin because it's been a while. I mean, look at this. December the 8th was the last video that I did in Litecoin, telling you all that I was looking for the price to go up, and we really haven't received that. So let's talk about the price today in Litecoin and see whether or not we're still going to go up, or can we be prepared for the price in Litecoin to go down. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I wanted to show everyone on YouTube that you don't have to utilize technical indicators, technical analysis, reading articles, paying attention to this person, listening to what this person has to say, reading tweets, nothing. You just need to look at what the market is doing with the money. Money talks and noise walks. I don't pay attention to what nobody else is saying, because this is the truth right here. You're looking at the truth of the market in Litecoin right now. You cannot be deceived when you're looking at a price chart. You cannot come in and alter or revamp or revise what you see on the chart. It is what it is. So you have to believe what you have on the chart, because if you do, you kind of get more comfortable and realize that, yeah, it does look kind of weak, or yeah, the market in Litecoin does look kind of strong. So maybe I do need to be prepared and prep myself to see the market go up. Join the team, join this community. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Now, real quick, we are starting out a new month, January. So let's start out looking at Litecoin on the monthly time frame. Let's see how we did last month in the month of December. Look at this. Very important. I want you all to see where the market price in Litecoin closed last month. Did we close above that ascending line, or did we fall below it? Because if we fell below it, then we might need to alter our overall direction as to where Litecoin is going to go, right? Because the trend is the biggest idea to let us know which one is dominating the market between the buyers and the sellers. So as we started out the year, right, October 2020, yeah, the buyers were in control. I mean, take a look at the chart. The market momentum was massively strong. Look at that. We saw the price in Litecoin go from $60 to top out all the way up here to $420 in May of 2021. Since that time, the market price has been coming down. And now, December, we closed below that trend. So look, I'm not here to convince you. I'm just here to show you the news, the information off the chart. And it's showing us that, yeah, the market trend has changed. We broke the trend into the market in Litecoin. Take a look. 2 weeks. Now we got a day and 7 hours. So I want you all to understand the last 2 weeks. Look at this one and look at this current one. We cannot deny that price tried to go up, right? The last 4 weeks, we cannot deny that the market tried to increase Litecoin's price. But currently, this still showing us some weakness. We're seeing the price close towards the low end of those 2 weekly price bars. That's not a good sign. Now, we got a day and 7 hours left on this current 2 weekly price bar, but still, it is still showing so far that the market is still weak in Litecoin. So we may have to get rid of this current price prediction that's on the chart in Litecoin right now. We might have to, because it's not looking good right now. This is Litecoin on the 3-day. Look at this. Yeah, the buyers are trying to keep this price above $140. I know that. I can see that right now, that they are in play. They are in position right here. This is where the buyers are at. They're trying to keep the price from falling below $140. And they've been trying, and they've been doing a pretty good job at it. Yeah, they've been doing a pretty good job at keeping price above 140. But are they getting tired? Do you think the market in Litecoin is eventually going to break back up to the upside, or are we going to go lower? This is Litecoin on a 3-month basis. Now, from this perspective, I'm massively weak in Litecoin, massively weak. At least give me a 3-month time period to be weak in the market in Litecoin. This is weak. Look how we ended the last 3 months in Litecoin. Look at this. And look at the last 3 completed. Like, look at this one that started in April. Look at this 3-month price bar we started in July. And then look at this 3-month price bar we started in October. All of that is weakness. That's massively weak in the market in Litecoin. It kind of look like the bear market is about to ensue in the market in Litecoin. Yep. I know you don't want to hear it, but hey, like I told you, this is the truth. You cannot alter or revamp what you see. This is massively weak on a 3-month perspective in Litecoin. Look at this on the 6 months. I mean, the last 2 6-monthly price bars right here. Yeah, there was a whole lot of selling come through, but we always came back down towards the low end of those price bars. Same thing for the 6-month price bar to start in July. Price went up, we came back down. That's weakness. That's people selling in the market in Litecoin. 12 months. Take a look. So what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to get rid of this price prediction here into the market in Litecoin. Okay. So if I were to get out right now, I'll be down 5.81%, which is cool, especially if I'm seeing massive weakness on that 3-month long-term basis. I need to go ahead and cut the play now because I'm looking for the market to go a lot lower in price. Right. So yeah, let me go ahead and get rid of that. Okay. Now, yeah, the market currently is trading sideways, which it doesn't mean that price is not going to go up. Yes, price in Litecoin, in fact, can still go up, which is cool. But I'm looking at this from a 3-month perspective, right? I'm playing this in that time frame. I'm not looking at this on a day-to-day basis. I'm seeing how weak the market is in Litecoin right now. So let me see where the restriction area is going to be at in the market for Litecoin. Okay. So now I'm going to be weak into the market in Litecoin until I see this price either break above $180, right? I can see that it might even be 200 to see the market in Litecoin come up there to $200, but I'm going to keep it at 180, all right? 180. Now, how low do I think the market is going to go? Well, I got a couple of areas that I'm seeing already. And like I said, initially there's strength on the chart, right? So if I do see buyers again come in Litecoin and hold 140, I need to take the bag there. And don't be greedy. Take that 7% and move on to the next play. This is how you're not to be emotional when you come into the market. I understand that the buyers are trying to hold up the price at $140. And if they continue to do it, then that lets me know, yeah, you might need to take the profit and move on because they're doing a fantastic job at doing it. But if they break that $140, right? If they break that, then here's the next level. 120. That will be the next location. I can see it around 120 for sure. And then the third area is going to be all the way down here towards 107. Okay. So I got 140, 120, and 107. That is the weakness that I am playing into the market for Litecoin. Now, that is where I'm expecting the buyers to prop in and try to prop up the price. Okay. 140, 120, and 107. Now, namely, I would say around that 120 area. It might fall up to 125, 127 as well, but that's the vicinity. Okay, this is where I'm looking forward to, right around here, to see this price in Litecoin come towards. Now again, the 3-month basis, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market come down to 107. All right, now that's it. I'm done. All right, it wasn't long, it wasn't hard, it wasn't complicated. We understand that the market in Litecoin is anticipated based off the long term to continue to fall in price. All right. So let me know though, what is your thoughts? What is your premise? What is your price prediction in the market in Litecoin? And let's not be confusing. Okay. We're not about that here in this, on this particular channel. We don't push confusion. We push simplicity. So guys, let me know, what is your price prediction on the price chart in the market for Litecoin? Let me know real quick. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.